Introduction. In the world of real estate, where competition is fierce, having a strong online presence can make all the difference. That's where search engine optimization, SEO, comes into play. SEO helps your website rank higher on search engine results, making it easier for potential clients to find you. For real estate agents, this means reaching more buyers and sellers who are looking for your services. However, it's not uncommon for real estate websites to run into SEO mishaps that can hinder their online success. Understanding and correcting these common SEO mistakes can significantly boost your online visibility and lead generation. From poor keyword usage to slow loading times, these issues can seem daunting, yet they are fixable. By focusing on quality content and user-friendly site structures, real estate professionals can enhance their digital footprint. Let's explore these frequent pitfalls and learn how to turn them into opportunities for growth. Common SEO mistakes in real estate websites. Mistakes in SEO can prevent your site from reaching its full potential. Here are a few frequent issues real estate professionals encounter. Keyword missteps. Using vague or generic keywords that don't match what users are searching for. Failing to integrate keywords naturally throughout the content. 2. Mobile optimization. Oversights. Websites that aren't mobile friendly can lose a significant chunk of traffic. Most users search for information on their smartphones, so it's vital to ensure your site adjusts well to various screen sizes. 3. Slow loading times. Sites that take too long to load can frustrate visitors and drive them away. Use tools to check your site's speed and make improvements where necessary. Imagine visiting a website for a property listing, only to find that the text is too tiny to read on your phone or the pictures take forever to load. It's not a pleasant experience and often results in moving on to another site. Addressing these common pitfalls by focusing on detailed and specific keywords, ensuring mobile compatibility, and optimizing load speeds can make a significant difference in user satisfaction and search rankings. Improving website content. Content is the heart of your real estate website. To stay ahead, focus on crafting high-quality, relevant content that speaks directly to your audience's needs. Imagine a visitor landing on your site with a question about a property's details or neighborhood insights. A well-written listing or blog post can provide the answers they're looking for, making it more likely they'll contact you for more information. Highlight the significance of unique content. Generic information doesn't stand out. Your content should provide valuable insights that potential clients find helpful and engaging. Strategic keyword integration. Identify keywords relevant to your properties and integrate them seamlessly into your content. This doesn't mean stuffing them in awkwardly, rather they should fit naturally, enhancing the readability and searchability of your site. Use a variety of formats. Include blog posts, videos, and testimonials to give visitors a comprehensive view. Each piece should offer something unique, whether it's a deeper look into property features or tips on buying in certain neighborhoods. Enhancing user experience. Enhancing the user experience on your real estate website can build strong connections with potential clients. A thoughtfully designed site makes it easier for visitors to find what they need without any hassle. Design for simple navigation. Think of your website like a well-organized open house. Visitors should easily flow from one section to the next with clear menus and links guiding them through the pages. Prioritize intuitive design. Ensure your layout is clean and straightforward with visual cues to help users locate information swiftly. Improve load speeds. No one likes waiting, especially online. Quick loading pages keep visitors engaged and prevent them from clicking away in frustration. Leveraging local SEO techniques. To truly make an impact, local SEO should not be overlooked. By focusing on local search strategies, you can attract more foot traffic from nearby areas. Optimize with location-specific keywords. For example, including terms like New York real estate in your content helps attract local searches. This simple addition can put your site in front of potential clients who are actively looking for properties in your area. Set up your Google Business profile. This free tool ensures you appear in local search results and maps, making it easy for clients to find your contact information and reviews. Foster community engagement. Participate in local events or collaborate with New York businesses to increase your site's relevance and build community connections. Looking ahead, fixing common SEO mistakes paves the way for better visibility and more leads. By sharpening your focus on high-quality content and improving user experiences, you're setting up for long-term success. Local SEO tactics further enhance your outreach, especially in a lively market like New York. These combined efforts strengthen your online presence, drawing more potential clients to your real estate offerings. Ready to take your online presence to new heights? Discover how Ask or Wait can help you master real estate SEO services in New York. Embrace innovative strategies that set you apart, and watch as your digital footprint flourishes. For tailored insights and effective solutions, get in touch with us today. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it. As a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant, I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes. And now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. A man's worth is not measured in the numbers in his bank account, but in the number of people that call him a friend. Agustin, Ask Auggie Diaz marketing campaign plus a smart automation plus coaching. Success. Ask Amoyi on internet marketing and lead generation services. All the best to your success.